Hello guys, welcome to my channel Math Help. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. So I have taken one example over here. I'm gonna solve this example and same way you can solve other problems. So we have x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. First we have to complete this square, then we have to solve. So to complete a square, we have to remember these two things, how to complete a square. One should be in form of a plus b all to the square form, or they're going to be a minus b all to the square. So if we have a plus b all to the square, we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. And if we have a minus b all to the square, we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we have given this a square plus 2ab or a square minus 2ab, we have to write or you have to find in the form of this a minus b all to the square or a plus b all to the square. Now let's see if we have here x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep the x terms on right side and take out all the constant to the left side. So if we add plus 5 both side, we have x square minus 3x plus 5 minus 5 0 is equal to 5, right? Now we have to make, if we see we have a square minus term, so we have to keep in mind we have using this for this problem. So how can we make in this form? So we have a square, means we have x square, so we can write x square. Now we need what? We need minus 2ab, right? We need minus 2ab. So we have right minus 2, a is x and b. So what will be our b value? Our b value gonna be what? So we don't have to change this, we should get 3. So our b value gonna be what? 3 over 2, right? Because if we cancel this 2 and 2, we still get 3x. Now we get 2ab, right? We get 2ab. Now plus b square, right? Plus b square. So plus b square means this is our b value, this is a, this is b. So b square means 3 over 2 square, right? Now our original, this is our original equation. So our original equation doesn't have 3 plus 2 square, right? So what I'm gonna subtract the same 3 over 2 square is equal to 5. See, I'm just modifying this quadratic equation, that's all. So how? In the form of a minus b all square. Now if we see here in these two, we have a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we have a square minus 2ab plus b square, we can write what? A minus b square. So we can write here a is our x, b is our what? 3 over 2 square. We still have negative 3 over 2 square is equal to 5. Now to solve x, we have to add 3 over 2 square both sides, right? We have to add 3 over 2 square both sides. Now when you add, this cancel out, so we have left x minus 3 over 2 square is equal to 5 plus 3 over 2 square. Now we have x minus 3 over 2 all to the square is equal to 5 plus, now when we have x square, we coefficient go back to the each of terms, so we have 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. Now let's get here. So we have x minus 3 over 2 all to the square is equal to, now how to add these terms? So we have 4 in denominator, we have 1 as a denominator, so we make the denominator same. So by what? Multiplying the 5 both numerator and denominator by 4 plus 9 over 4. So we get x minus 3 over 2 square is equal to 5 times 4 is 20, 20 over 4 plus 9 over 4. Now we have again x minus 3 over 2 all to the square is equal to, now we are 20 plus 9 is 29 over 4. Now to solve the square, I have written here, if we have x square is equal to k, our x value gonna be plus or minus the square root k. So same over here, our x minus 3 over 2 is equal to what? Plus or minus square root of 29 over 4. We're taking the square root both sides. So, or we have again x minus 3 over 2 is equal to plus or minus 29 is odd numbers, we cannot, but 4 is the square, we can take out the 4 from the square, we get 29 over what? 2. Now we find the x, we add plus 3 over 2 both sides. Now when you add plus 3 over 2 both sides, this plus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 cancel out, so we have left x is equal to 3 over 2 plus or minus square root 29 over 2. Now we can add these two, so we get x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root 29 over 2. So if quadratic equation has two power like second degree, so our x value is supposed to be 2, therefore we can write x is equal to 1 is 3 plus square root 29 over 2, or x is equal to 3 minus square root 29 over 2. So these are our final answer. So our x value has two, x has two value, 3 plus 29 over 2 or 3 minus square root 29 over 2. So in this way we can solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.